Next is my specific volume. So what is my specific volume? So
Volume per
specific
unit
volume is the reciprocal of the density, or you can say that it is the ratio of the volume occupied by per unit mass. That is called my specific volume. Okay. So we can write specific volume is defined as the volume of a fluid occupied by per unit mass. Or we can write specific volume is equal to my volume upon mass, or we can write 1 upon rho. Okay. So specific volume is my reciprocal of the mass density or my density. Okay. So the unit of the specific volume is my meter cube per kg.